right, chicos, we got a jam-packed day. Let's go, let's go. Vámonos, vámonos. All right, my friend. Welcome, welcome.
Hola, hola.
Olo. You want an Oreo?
Hola, ¿cómo estás? Estamos bien.
Okay, my friend, we are here at Monte Alban. Let's go check it out. We're gonna do a little tour today. And we got little Cece with us. We're with a group, so let's go catch up to our group, my friend. Vámonos, vámonos.
Let's go.
We're a group of 6 in our little group anyway, but we're waiting for more people. Oh, there you go. The entrance to Monte Alban. Home of the Zapotec people. Well, that answers that question. All right, my friend, we are with a pretty big group now. Let's all go gather under the tree.
I see the auditorium.
Huh?
I see the auditorium.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah. Yeah, now you can see the auditorium. Right there.
Lo que ustedes están observando, grupo, solamente es un 10% de lo que se ha investigado y de lo que se ha restaurado. Entonces, el resto...
Must be the ball court. Yeah. Okay, let's go for a climb. My friend, we got 1/2 hour to go climb that big mountain over there, the big ruins, and then we're gonna head back to the gate by 12:30. So
Vámonos.
Vámonos. Ooh. Maybe hold the wall, babe. Yeah, these ones aren't too bad. Oh, you can hear the kid running through here. Just plop, 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 plop. She's getting warm. Yeah, it's got a railing. That's the first time I've seen a railing. All right, my friend, we did it. Oh, Jennifer's under the tree over there. Doing some restoration. Okay. Now, if you don't want to climb up here, you don't have to. I did it for you. Beautiful view. All right, my friend, got wheelchair accessible here. Look at that. Nice. Good for us senior citizens. Excelente.
We are leaving the ruins behind and heading to the valleys where another Oaxacan treasure is made. Mezcal.
Let's go try some mezcal. Vámonos, vámonos.
They're going to explain,
Qué bueno.
At this moment, we don't have fermentation, but because we're a destination, but I'm going to explain for you what happened here, okay? So, we open the windows and put everything, all the liquid and all the solids, all the everything inside of that.
Everything I can use in one
Exactly.
process.
All. But you maybe ask me, no? What? In this factory, we have 4 alambikes, okay? That is an alambike, okay? But in this factory, we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. But when you drink regular mezcal and you identify your type of plant, is very important, and we recommend it every time. Please identify your plant, because if you go to the restaurant and you go to the factory or you go to everything, you can ask for tobala.
Marijuana mezcal? Ugh. It really did taste like marijuana. Trust me, I know. Ugh. All right, my friend, wasn't that awesome? We worked up an appetite. Now it's time to stop for an authentic Oaxacan buffet.
Vámonos. Disfruta. Provecho.
We have the food and the principal buffet. We have in the options the left. We have 5 different kinds of mole. Oh my God. Jennifer took a couple of bites and she goes, that tastes like Mexico. That was the first words out of her mouth. This tastes like Mexico. It is so freaking good. And I just realized that I biked up here by this mezcal plant where we are. We stopped and took a photograph at the hacienda we drove by. And I looked and I'm like, I've been here before. Not to this restaurant or the mezcal place, but to this little town.
Okay, our day and our tour are going to continue next at an Alebrije Workshop. There are wood carvings that are hand painted. Let's take a look.
Vámonos, vámonos.
Let's see what they made.
At the same time, the drying process is going to begin due to the moisture of the wood. It has to dry up, and when this happens, it's going to crack up. In the armadillos that I just had, a few fractures I had, and with these cracks, we're going to fill them up with the same type of wood that we use here. We're going to stick them inside the cracks, and with the knife, we're just going to trim. Después de este proceso de secado se va a lo que es un proceso de curado. Esa madera por naturaleza atrae mucho la termita.
This is just a quick tour of the former monastery, Santiago Apostle.
Let's go check it out. The Ex-Convent is deeply tied to Mexican history. Vincent Guerrero, former president and independence hero, was imprisoned within its walls and executed in the town on February 14th, 1831. Ooh, yeah. All right, my friend, this is the last stop of our full day tour, and here we got to watch and learn how they make pottery from black clay. Let's go have a peek.
Entonces hago estas formas como un cilindro, las dejo reposar un día. Segundo día voy a hacer la forma redonda. Voy a utilizar una herramienta que se llama media luna. Es una herramienta hecha en mismo barro. Media luna. Tomo unos cilindros, los dejo reposar un día, los tapo con tela.
My friends, that was an epic adventure.
That was an fun-filled day. We packed a lot into one day. We started out about 9:45 and it's almost 8 o'clock.
Yeah, 10 to 8 now. So
we're just about home. We had to
walk a little ways. So
yeah.
Anyway, that's it, guys. Thanks for being here with us. We really appreciate it. God bless everybody out there. Peace on earth. And as always, be kind to one another. Adios. Hasta luego.
Okay.
Yeah, Cece's tired. Let's go. Vámonos, vámonos. Oi!